Now we have to show the value of determinant is 0. Now if we see this third one column, AB plus AC, AB plus AC, I think BC only is left. If you add BC, then this one, second one, BC plus AB, and if you add AC, we are adding this C3 and C1. Now next, CA plus BC. Now if you add this AB, now it means if we are adding this C2 and C3, we are getting all elements same. Now applying C3, this is the column C3, we will add in C3. What we will add? C2 plus C3. Okay. Then 1, 1, 1. Then BC, CA, AB. Then AB plus AC plus BC. Then BC plus AB plus AC. Then CA plus BC plus AB. Now we can take common, all three are same, all C3 is same, so we can take this as common, AB plus BC plus CA. Now what do we get? 1, 1, 1. Then BC, CA, AB. Then if we take common, what we left? 1. Common means to divide this number by the common one. So what is left? 1. To divide this element by this one, what is left? 1. Then again divide this element by the common, what is left? 1. And as I told you, if any two columns or rows are same, the value of determinant is 0. So this value will be 0. Now this is the question number 5. Now the left side, what we will do? Now if we add these two, and subtract this, now let us see. If we add R1 plus R2, what do we get? Twice C plus B plus A. Yes. And then if we subtract this R3 value, what is this R3? A plus B. So what is left? 2C. So here it will be 2C. 2C, then here it will be similarly 2R, then here it will be 2Z, yes, then C plus A, R plus P, Z plus R. Now we'll take this 2 common from the first row. Then, now if we subtract R2 minus R1, then C will be cancelled out, only A is left. Then here R will be cancelled out, only P is left. Here Z will be cancelled out, only R is left. And now we are subtracting. We are doing this operation in R2. We are applying this formula in R2. R2 minus R1. Now next, if we subtract A from this R3, what is left? B. If we subtract P from this R3, what is left? Q. And here it will be X. Sorry. What is left? Y. So R3 will be R3 minus R2. Yes. Now, but in the question, what we have to show? APX as the first row, BQY as the second row and CRZ as the third row. So we have to shift this APQ to the first row. And this CRQ to the third row and this BQY as the second row. So we are interchanging twice. So two negative sign, it will be plus. So APX, and then first of all we are interchanging these two. Yes, APX, then this third row will come in the second place and third one will come in the second one. Now, one time you interchange negative sign, we are interchanging twice, so it will be. Now, this is question number 6. We have to prove this determinant is 0. So, left side, what we are doing, we are multiplying this row R2 by BR2 and this row R3 by AR3. Then 0 A minus B, then minus AB, 0 minus BC, then AB, AC and 0. Yes. Now if we add these two, we'll get one more 0 here. Our main aim to get maximum 0 in any column or any row so that we can expand it easily. Yes, if we add these two, so R2 will be R2 plus R3. Yes. So it will be 0. If we add these two, we are adding in this row R2. So if we add these two, we'll get it 0 here. Then AB, then A. Then if we add these two, it will get AC, AC here also. Then minus B, minus BC plus 0, it will be minus BC, then 0. Now in this column C1, two zeros are there, so we will expand along this C1. Yes, so we'll write it AB here. We have drawn the lines. These elements are left. So first we'll multiply these two. Minus ABC. Then negative sign. Then we multiply these two. Again minus ABC. Then AC minus ABC plus ABC. Then it will be 0. Okay students, this is question number 7. Now we have to show this determinant for a square, b square and c square. Now the left hand side. As you can see this row R1, we can take a common. Yes. This row R2, we can take b common. Yes, because b is there with every element. So we'll take b. We are taking b common from R2. And then we are taking C common with R3. The terms you are taking common, it will be written all together. Okay, don't get confused. Now A will be taken common from R1. So what is left? Minus A, B, C. Then B we have to take common from R2. What is left? A minus B, C. Then we have to take C common, A, B and minus C. Yes. Now, this A can be taken common from column C1, this B can be taken common from column C2 and C can be taken common from C3. Then A square, B square, C square. Take A common from C1, then minus 1, 1, 1. Then take B common, then 1, minus 1 and 1. Then taking C common, 1, 1 and minus 1. Yes. Now what we will do? Now any column we have to find maximum 0. How can we get this 0? If we add R1 and R3. And how can we get 0 here? If we add R3, R2 minus R3. Yes. So what do we get? R1 is R1 plus R3. Yes. And R2 is R2 minus R3. So it will be A square, B square, C square. Then here it will be 0. Then we are adding these two. So 1 plus 1, 2. We are adding these two. So it will be 0. Now we are subtracting. So 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1, minus 1. It will be minus 2. Then 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Yes. And it will remain same. 1, 1, minus 1. Now, because this column maximum 0, so we will expand. When we are expanding, just draw the line this. Because 1, we are getting this 1. So, we have to draw the lines like this. So, we are expanding along C1. Expanding along C1, these two are 0. So, 1 is left. Draw the lines. Then A square, B square, C square, 1 is left. Now these 4 are left. So 2 into 2, 4. And then plus 0. So it will be 4A square, B square and C square. And this is the right hand side. Now this is the 8th question, first part. Now when one column it is given 1, 1, 1, the question will be very easy. Now when all the elements are 1, what we will apply? This R1 remains, we will leave it as it is. Yes. Then R2 will be R2 minus R1. As I told you, we have to find maximum 0. So this will be 0. Then R3. Here also 0. So R3 minus R1. So 0, B minus A. Then B square minus A square. Then 0, C minus A. C square minus A square. Now from this second column we can take B minus A 0. Now 0 is there, so there will be no effect if you take B minus A common. So we are taking B minus A common from R2 and C minus A common from R3. So 1, A square, then 0, then 1. Now this will be B square minus A square. It will be B minus A and B plus A. Yes. So what is left? B plus A. Yes. Then another one 0. We have taken C minus A common. So it will be 1 here. And here it will be C plus A. Now we are expanding along this column C1. Yes. So B minus A and then C minus A. Will multiply these two, C plus A and then minus B plus A. Yes. So it will be C plus A minus B minus A. This A and A will be cancelled out. Then B minus A, then C minus A and then C minus B. Or we can write this B minus A, we can write A minus B. If you take negative sign common, then C minus A as it is. And this C minus B, we can write B minus C. So again one more negative sign, so it will be plus here. And this is the right hand side.